In this video, I'll show you how to fix in case your Samsung Smart TV is slow. So if every time you try to launch an app or even when you're moving through the menus, it's not quick as it's supposed to be, I'll show you a few ways how you can fix this issue. So the easiest of them is definitely open this menu by clicking the home button on the remote control. Even if your remote control does not look like mine, you should have a home button. Then press the left side arrow a few times until you have highlighted settings on the lower left side. Press the middle button here to confirm. From here you need to go all the way down here under support, press the middle button, and now we need to select device care. Launch device care. It should take just a few seconds since this is an app. And now what we need to press is start device care. Press enter, and usually it takes about 40 seconds. It will not delete any personal data. It simply clear the cache and stuff that you don't need, and it's in the background eating all your memory. And once you're done, press the close button. And now what I recommend is that you restart your TV. A way to do this, take your remote control and you're gonna keep press the power button during about 10 seconds. Do not release the power button even if the TV shuts down and turn on by itself. So I'll do it with you. I'm pressing and I'm keeping this button pressed during 10 seconds. So you see the TV has shut down, now it has turned on back again, and after 10 seconds I can release the button. It's just a quick restart. Now all it's left to do is for you to use your TV and see if the lag, if it's still slow as it was. Hopefully your problem is gone. Now if this didn't solve your issue, another thing you can do is, so while the TV is turned on, remove the power outlet, disconnect it. Now under your Samsung TV, there should be a button. Mine is located right over here on the right side, but yours can be located in the middle or even on the left side. What you need to do is to keep press this button during 30 seconds. Do not let it go. Even if the TV is currently unplugged, this will remove any remaining charge. After 30 seconds, you can release the button. Now it's time to wait 5 minutes. Do not do anything, do not touch the TV. After this 5 minutes has passed, take the power cable and we'll connect it directly to a wall socket. Do not connect to a power strip because sometimes this is causing the problem. After doing this, it's time to turn on your Samsung TV, and what you need to do is to turn it on using the same button you used previously. Do not use the remote control. So just by tapping it once, the TV should turn on and your problem should be gone. Finally, if only one of these apps is lagging or is slow for you, what you can do is to press the left side arrow a few times until you select apps here, press enter, and this will launch a small app. Now over here you're gonna go down again until you select, let me show you, downloaded apps. These are all the apps that are on your Samsung TV. So let's say Prime Video was lagging for me or slow. I will go over it and then keep press this middle button like that until you get more options. Then go down and click reinstall. It will delete the app and it will install a fresh version. So hopefully this will solve your issue. At the same time, this is a good way to update the app, and hopefully the newer version does not have the same issue you're having with the older one. So thanks for watching. I hope this was useful. If you have other ways on how to fix this issue, please leave a comment down below. I'm sure somebody will be very grateful to read it. If not, just leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.